Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Tanko. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Chess.
Kabuyelo.
Okay, Chess.
Ke shapona.
Kimnat, you came with one jwang?
Bona. The way they were confused ka ona, ba ira on go.
Yes.
Ne ba sa tsebo re ba ireng. Ba
Yes.
bona hore ba re pila batho ba le ke Masandawana.
Ke a tswa.
Yeah, wa nkushisi.
Ba ba korileng.
Yeah.
Ba Polokwane City.
Yeah, ne ba le confused.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gore ba kora kae Grand.
Yeah, ne ba le confused.
Ba bangwe ba re ba le koretsa la kora.
Ah, biang. Re ba file mo sebolelo hore ba re koretse.
Exactly.
Yeah. Ba re koretse, bona ke tsa malemang.
Themba Zwane. Nene man of the match how? Ribeiro.
Roberto Emapelo.
Yes.
O bona re na ira mfanolo.
He was too much.
Aba isa ka mole ka mo ba sa bone next.
Yes.
Yeah.
You try win MTN 8.
Yeah.
What about Orlando Pirates? No.
What about it?
Yeah. But ba try win.
Ba re bang.
Ba joditse jwale.
Ba tsa di chance batho.
Abatle.
Re ba emetse.
Le batla bone vet.
Bon, ka patla le jazz. E tlang re emetse. No sir. Awe.
Jesu sebedisa MTN ka.
Selfie. Mara le yona ka iberekisa.
What? America SIM card MTN, dial *144*8#, recharge ka 10 Rand every week, and then you stand a chance to win a share of 8 million in prizes.
Wa ya ka wena.
Ka mafra.
8 million for 10 Rand. Wa ya ka wena.
Samo yes.
A re eng?
Tanko.
A re eng?